Hey everyone, today we're covering how to connect Power BI Desktop directly to your Google Analytics GA data, authenticate your account, and prepare the data for reporting. Step 1. Accessing the GA connector. Open Power BI Desktop. In the Home tab, click Get Data, and then click More. In the connector search box, type Google Analytics and select it. Click Connect, and if a third-party service warning appears, click Continue. Step 2. Authentication and access. After clicking Connect, Power BI opens a web browser for Google Sign-In. Choose your Google account and press Allow to grant Power BI access. Once the browser shows Sign In complete, close the window. Return to Power BI Desktop, and the status bar should now read, "You are currently signed in." Click Connect again to proceed. Step 3. Select and transform data. Power BI connects to GA via a multi-dimensional data model, or cube, where metrics are already pre-aggregated. In the Navigator window, select the data sets you want, such as page tracking, by checking the desired boxes. Choose one of two actions: Load, which imports the data directly into the Power BI data model, or Transform Data, which opens the Power Query editor for additional cleaning or shaping, where you can remove unnecessary columns, rename fields, or apply filters before loading. The imported GA data, including key metrics like page views, entrances, and exits, will then appear in the Power BI Fields pane, ready for building reports. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.